Like this how we make basket.
The angel of the Lord round about and that fear him and deliver them. The angel of the Lord comfort round about and that fear him and deliver them. Oh, taste and see that the Lord is good. Happy is the man that trusts in him. Oh, taste and see that the Lord is good. Happy is the man that trusts in him.
What Elgium? See what did you do? See, you did rigid. Long one. And when you boil this, it will come out white. And when you put this on the sun, it will come out black.
The angel of the Lord encampeth round about them that fear him and deliver them. The angel of the Lord encampeth round about them that fear him and deliver them. Oh, taste and see that the Lord is good. Happy is the man that trusts in him. Oh, taste and see that the Lord is good. Happy is the man that trusts in him.
But I never bring my knife. Teeth here. Okay, hurry, go get it.
Jesus loved the little children, all the children of the world, red, brown, yellow, black, and white, in a precious in his sight. Jesus loved the little children of the world. Jesus loves me, this I know, for the Bible tells me so. Little one, oh help me, Lord. They are weak, but He is strong. Yes, Jesus loves me. Yes, Jesus loves me. Yes, Jesus loves me. The Bible tells me so.
But he wants meat. Shake!
I'm okay. You take it. Behold, behold, I stand on the door and knock, knock, knock. Behold, behold, I stand on the door and knock, knock, knock. If anyone hears my voice, if anyone hears my voice, I will open the door I live, come in.
See? When I joined the thread for it in a show. Okay, and when we harvest the white one, it takes a lot of work, and same thing with the black one. Because when the sun comes, then you hang it, and when the rains come, you hurry go get it again. That's why it takes a lot of work. Once the sun hot, it dry quick. Then if it rain, well, it take more time. It takes a week to make it get the white one get dry, and the black one here like 1 week and a half. Pinjak sa ako. Siya kasi siya. See? Tuolla Chilen joskus tak.
Quiero levantar mis manos, quiero levantar mi voz, alzaré mis ojos a su cielo. Quiero levantar mi voz, quiero levantar mis manos, quiero levantar mi voz, alzaré mis ojos a su cielo. Quiero levantar mi voz. The angel of